Hello everybody and welcome to the crypto session brief. We're on Tuesday the 4th of April 2023. We're approaching midday here in Europe. Let's take a look at crypto markets. We've got continued consolidation, to be quite honest, across the board. We've been pretty repetitive on this now for at least the past week, but all relatively positive, remember, for BTC in my view. That's because BTC has clung quite tenaciously to around that 27-28 region since mid-March, despite a near banking meltdown that engulfed two crypto-friendly banks and amid generally more favourable conditions for digital assets. It's a pretty positive. I consider it a quite a positive to see BTC still holding up as well as it has done. The injection of new money into the economy as a backstop by the let's call it a panicking Fed to address the banking crisis. That, of course, boosted investor liquidity for certain stocks and cryptos. So now, you've got the increase in liquidity, and of course, that could be a reason as well behind seeing BTC continue to hold up. Ethereum has been recently trading just over the 1800 handle. In fact, we are trading above that again today. We've just gone above that this morning. We've had a pretty interesting move on Dogecoin over the past 24 hours. It was up more than 35% earlier, topping 10 cents for the first time since December after Elon Musk's Twitter replaced the social media platform's familiar blue bird atop its homepage with the cryptocurrency's iconic Shiba Inu dog logo. Musk has been an outspoken Doge advocate, suggesting the meme coin may offer better payment functionalities than BTC. So that's pretty much it as far as any news and major market moves over the past 24 hours on cryptos. It's pretty mixed as far as the tech-heavy Nasdaq inched slightly lower, but the S&P and the Dow both moving higher. Let's have a look at markets then and how they could be moving for the rest of today. BTC is right in the middle of that range between 29.30 and 27, so that's basically where we're at, guys. We really need to see a break higher or lower of either one of those levels. Ethereum is also trading at the top of its, let's call it mini range that it's been in, which is towards the 1850 region. We've got that ascending trend line, which we could continue to keep moving higher with. A move into that would see a move through 1850 new highs, and a move into that, and then reject maybe back down 1900. That could be a move which happens. We've got 1790 to the downside, of course, providing a little bit of support, but that's basically Ethereum. You can see the market conditions relatively similar on Ethereum and BTC at the minute, and same for Litecoin. Over the past week, a lot of consolidation. We do continue to trend high, and we do continue to put in higher lows. Now we need to really see a clean break of 95, because that's where we faced a bit of resistance even yesterday. You can see that rejection. So 95 is probably the overhead area that we need to clear. Ripple just starting to edge lower, so the lower close yesterday and basically a move down into 0.4445 is looking more likely right now than a move back up into the 0.55 region. Just checking here if there's anything else to bring to your attention today. There's not really, just add in there the move from OPEC. Again, when we're trading cryptos, we've got to we do consider what's going on in the wider economy, other markets. We've discussed in the past the correlation, I should say, between the Nasdaq and BTC price. Now that seems to have broken, but what else could affect it? It could be a macro opportunity with OPEC. It increases the chances that inflation could actually somewhat spark higher, which could actually be a negative for BTC, because inflation does go higher. Then we're going to see the Fed actually say, okay, well, we need to withdraw liquidity. We need to continue to raise rates, and we've seen that BTC hasn't really performed that well during that particular period. So that's basically where we're at. If there's anything else, then I'll post it inside the chat room. Until next time, I wish you all the best for your trading. Take care and bye for now.